The GKU Dash Cam offers a remarkable dual-camera setup, capturing stunning 4K resolution for the front and high-definition 1080p for the rear, ensuring crystal-clear footage in any lighting conditions. Equipped with built-in GPS and advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, this dashcam provides seamless connectivity for tracking routes and sharing videos effortlessly. The innovative parking mode features collision detection and time-lapse recording, providing round-the-clock surveillance and peace of mind when your vehicle is parked. Its compact design includes a 1.47-inch display and a rotatable bracket for easy adjustment and discreet installation, maintaining the sleek aesthetic of your car's interior. The dashcam's loop recording and G-sensor collision detection ensure that important events are securely saved, offering comprehensive coverage of both front and rear views. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures, the GKU Dash Cam uses heat-resistant materials and a supercapacitor for reliable performance even in challenging conditions.